Alright, so I just watched Weedy's video. He just got his Jackson neck back. So yeah, rock on, brother. Oh shit, I didn't plug in. Alright, so Weedy got his guitar neck back in one piece. Thank God. I was worried about that thing getting shipped out to him. You know, with things going on right now, who knows what the hell is happening with mail and everything else. I've gotten a few packages myself of other things that weren't related to guitar or audio or whatever, and they look like they've been pretty much beat up. So I'm glad that his got to him in one piece with no problems. Weedy, if there is anything else you need or if something goes wrong, let me know, and hopefully I can take care of it for you. Rock on, brother, and thanks for giving me the opportunity to do this repair. This is the first time I've ever did anything like this before as far as a guitar-related repair, and I'm glad to be a part of it. Take it easy.
Hey guys, this is Weedy Guitar Studio. I just got my Jackson neck back. Eric wanted me to open the box. I went and took the address off. Haven't opened it yet. Usually don't do unboxings because I like getting in there and getting her done. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do one here if I can. Let's see if we could get some movement going. Okay. Okay, he got her good and tight. Alright. Getting in there a little bit, not quite. Sorry, I'm using one hand by myself. It's not very easy. And I have no, yeah. Help me with that, but yeah. There we are. We're getting in there. Very, very slowly. At least I got a buck knife and a kind of stabbing device to use. LOL. That's an Eric reference from back in the day. Okay, let's see what we got here. If we can get in it this time. Sorry for all the bad camera angles. It'll look better once I get the thing open. I don't usually do things like this, or do them this way anyway. I mean, you can't even see. See, I've got pretty much ripped open. It looks locked pretty good. Gemma, go on. Dog come to see. Gemma, what are you doing? No, quit it. Okay, now we're in. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got the stickers and the Ernie Ball strings. Jackson sticker, I think, and a Kramer. And yeah, that's pretty cool. It's actually really cool. And here's the patch cords, which I really needed. Thanks, Eric. But the main thing we're looking at is hanging wrap this good. Professional right here, buddy. He really knows how to wrap something. I don't think this thing got hurt at all, Eric. Let's see. They're gonna go right under the sleeve of this bad boy. Got this tape up off here. Oh Lord. One more time. Okay, gotta pull it out if I can. I ain't got but one hand here, so sorry for the off camera there for a second, but let's get it out and we'll check it. Okay. Alright, Eric, here we are. She looks gorgeous to me. I don't see one literal thing wrong with it. Neck looks great. Looks great on the back. And then those Beast Godo tuners. Alright, Eric. I think we got her in good shape. And that's what a real professional job on a front nut looks like. Not what I got recently. LOL. Peace out, guys.